Why 107 Pilots United? In the past, 107 pilots needed to find drone service providers and individually sign up on their websites, essentially applying for work. This involved going to potentially hundreds of sites to apply. If the drone pilot's status changed, such as equipment acquisition, school completion, experience changed, that pilot would have to go back to all those sites and change their status individually, which is extremely time-consuming. For the drone service provider, it meant not knowing one moment from the next if the pilots they had signed up on their website were up to date when they needed them. Drone service providers don't just struggle to find pilots. They struggle to find qualified, current, reliable pilots, fast. Facebook groups are chaotic and unverifiable. One-off emails and texts don't scale. Pilot profiles go stale the moment they're recorded on the DSP site. Vetting costs time, money, and reputation. 107 Pilots United is a single-source platform and home for pilots to place their up-to-date profile information, location preferences, and a place where they can access schools, academies, and colleges that offer them a chance to update their education, giving DSPs qualified pilots, all located in one place. Pilots maintain living profiles, not static resumes. Equipment lists are always current: airframes, sensors, payloads, industries served. Experience, certifications, and education are visible and updated. Training, academies, and continuing education are displayed. DSPs don't chase pilots for updates. The data stays fresh, and in one place DSPs can access instantly. This matters to DSPs because less vetting time, fewer surprises on job sites, higher contract success rates. This is about operational certainty when it matters the most. 107 Pilots United is also a hub for the pilot's education. Pilots are connected to online and brick-and-mortar academies. DSPs can identify pilots investing in higher skill verticals: solar, tower, agriculture, thermal, mapping, inspection. Better trained pilots reduce rework, liability, and client friction. DSPs aren't just hiring labor. They're tapping into a continuously improving workforce through the 107 Pilots United platform. DSPs list current and future contracts by type, equipment needed, and location. Region-based pilot discovery eliminates noise from online social media searches and other pilot resources that have limited information about the pilots themselves. 107 Pilots United has fast filtering by location, equipment, certifications, experience type. Pilots come to the DSP already vetted and transparent with their credentials and abilities. Outcome for the DSP: faster staffing, predictable coverage, scalable operations without chaos. This turns pilot sourcing into an accurate, repeatable process, not a scramble. General contractors want proof, not promises. 107 Pilots United helps to provide that proof by giving the DSP the following. 107 Pilots United provides visible accountability through the pilots' profiles that they create and keep up to date. DSPs can demonstrate professional pilot standards, verified credentials, ongoing education, and structured workflows. Result? DSPs look institutional, not improvised. With 107 Pilots United pilot population resources to DSP subcontractors, it creates easier contract approvals from contractors, ensuring stronger long-term client relationships. In the long run, the pilots keep their profiles up to date easily on one platform, and this protects the DSP brand by providing reliability of resources to complete the contract with those qualified pilots. Is your DSP looking for a pilot with specific equipment? 107 Pilots United has a classified section where pilots can buy and sell equipment right on the platform. They can also seek leasebacks on equipment from other pilots who have the equipment but are not using at the moment, making it an extremely versatile platform for pilots in need of the right equipment for the projects they need to complete. 107 Pilots United also has opportunities for drone manufacturers to advertise on the website for easy access to goods and services required by DSPs, so their pilots can complete contracts, projects, and missions the right way. Insurance companies will also have the opportunity to advertise on the 107 Pilots United platform so that pilots may be able to acquire insurance fast in the advertiser's marketplace. At 107 Pilots United, we know that resources are getting tighter, and we're here to help not only you, the DSP, but the pilots themselves who work hard to complete the contracts you maintain for general contractors. 107 Pilots United gives the DSPs more ways than one to increase scalability, profits, and get contracts done on time, with the resources you need, all on one platform. 107 Pilots United also gives the pilots everything they need to scale their careers and become a valuable member in the drone industry and the DSPs who need them. 107 Pilots United is not a gig board, it is not social media, it is not just another directory, it is literally a home for pilots and DSPs alike to find each other, work with each other, learn with each other, and to scale the drone use industry by streamlining and synchronizing the relationships between DSPs and pilots, all on a platform that brings them together for the first time in the drone industry. If you're serious about scaling drone operations without scaling chaos, 107 Pilots United is where your pilots and your reputation belong. The 107 Pilots United platform provides a professional ecosystem, educational hub, vetting accelerator, and a trust engine between pilots, DSPs, and clients. Your DSP belongs on the one platform that you need in order to scale in the ever-changing and competing drone industry. 107pilotsunited.com